Banksy Jar vs. Jersey. Please like and subscribe. This is the Yz85. It's all done, put together. I did start it one time. I'm not gonna tell you I lied and I didn't kickstart it already, but I starting first kick. It's running good. I'm not sure it's got the jet kit on it. I didn't put the pipe on or nothing. It's a customer's bike. I told him I think I need to jet it, but he insisted on picking it up, so I'm about to let him pick it up. But here it is all together. Let me start her up for y'all. Should be one kick. I think it needs a jet kit, guys. It's the best I can do with what it is, so. She needs tender love and care, man. A little bit of TLC. But all right, guys, thanks for following. This is part 4, part 5, I guess. Part 5, I guess. The Yz85 build. It's done. So, please like and subscribe. Thanks for checking out our videos. It costs us nothing to follow, man. Show a little bit of support. Signing off.